1.
Get or make a fridge. In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Object. Fridge. Pick one. Export mesh.
2.
Make yours match EA's. Select EA fridge, then yours. Weight paint. Transfer weights. Select your fridge. Go to edit mode. Turn on this. Keep UV on. Select fridge door. Select transform bone. Click remove. Select bind door. Click assign. Now select fridge back. On bind door, click remove. On transform bone, assign. On EA's fridge, delete vertices. Select yours, then EA's, and join them. Save it.
3.
Re-import mesh. Customize it. Done. Ring-a-ding-ding, baby. I got your back.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.